Is it possible that in the future the people that took the C-19 shot will not be allowed to travel on an airplane? Let's ask the Pendulum. Is it true that the people who took the C-19 shot will not be allowed to travel on an airplane? Yes. Yes, it is true. Is it because of their health? Yes. Is it because in the future there will be a lot of cases of people having heart attacks during flights? Yes. But why now? Is it something that will trigger it? Yes. Will we be using new planes in the future? Yes, but will we be using new planes that are more advanced in the future? Yes. Will these planes fly higher and faster? Yes. Is this the reason that the people who got the C-19 shot will not be allowed to travel on an airplane? Yes. Is it because they will not get health insurance to travel? Yes. So will many people still try it and risk it? I'm getting that in the beginning, yes. Will there be many lawsuits? Yes. But couldn't they use the old airplanes? No. For some reason, no. Okay. Well, that's interesting. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And if you want your own personal reading done by me or a one-on-one session, then click the link in my profile and check out my shop. And remember, this video is for entertainment purposes only.